onto your mat, come into all fours. So what that means is you need to have your wrists always aligned underneath your shoulders and your knees always aligned under the hips. Your hands are shoulder width distance and your knees are hip width distance. This is a very stable structure, very comfortable to hold, and there will be no pressure on any part of the body. So we start here, and what we are going to do is drop the spine down as you lengthen upwards with the chin and the tailbone. On the exhale, you'll round through the shoulders, pull the belly in, and bring your chin to your chest as you look to your navel. A few more times. Inhale, deep breath in as you drop your spine down and look up to the ceiling. And exhale, round through the shoulders, pull the belly in, squeeze as you look within. 2 more times, okay? Inhale, down, deep breath in, reach to the ceiling. And exhale, round, squeeze the belly as you look within. Last time, okay? Inhale, down, deep breath in, fill your lungs up with air as you reach up. And exhale, round, squeeze as you look within.
Hold it here for a moment. We're going to take it to a downward dog. Start by coming on the toes and then inhale, just hover the knees off the mat. Push with your hands, lift your tailbone up and push away from the hands. So the shoulders are moving away from the wrist and then the legs are nice and straightened. It might be difficult for you to get the heels down, no problem. Just keep the heels up as much as you can. Don't compromise on the length of the back. So avoid this position with the shoulders coming forward and the spine is not really getting a good stretch here. Rather than that, just push back with the hands and keep the knees bent. This is a much better position than that, so it will really lengthen out the back.
First, we'll start with Bhujangasana and variations in Bhujangasana. So lie down on your abdomen. Try to keep your heel closer, your palms near your side of your chest. Now inhale and then come up such that the navel point touches on the mat. Above your navel, nothing should be on the mat. Okay? Lift your chin up, look at the ceiling. Stay here for 5 breaths. When you stay here for 5 breaths, put all your upper body weight on your middle back and strengthen your middle back as much as possible. And exhale down. Now we'll do one more variation in Bhujangasana. The same thing, inhale and come up such that the navel point touches the mat and gently lift your hands off the mat. Stay here, shift all the body weight towards your lower back and strengthen your lower back. Exhale down. Now gently place your hands down in between your shoulders and your pelvic bone. Open your legs slightly out. Inhale and then come up. Now lift your navel above the ground level. Push your pelvic bone down. Protrude your pelvic bone down and then elbow straight. Push the shoulders back. Drop your neck back. Down. Now interlock your hands under your pubic bone. Tuck your toes inside. Lift both the legs up and then your neck up. Nice strengthening for your lower back. Your lower abdomen squeezes to a greater extent. Keep breathing. exhale, down.